Welcome back to our channel Vultures. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Today we will be talking about the Indian vulture. The Indian vulture is a vulture belonging to the genus Gibbs and was once classified with the slender-billed vulture as the long-billed vulture. The Indian vulture is also critically endangered and is one of the vultures that is affected by the Indian vulture crisis. The Indian vulture's closest relative, as noted, is the slender-billed vulture because they were once classified as one species. Also close relatives of the Indian vulture are the Himalayan griffon vulture and the common griffon vulture, Gibbs himalayensis and Gibbs fulvus. The Indian vulture and the slender-billed vulture's ranges do not overlap, that is why they were separated into different species. The Indian vulture's range is declining and their habitat is also declining because of forest cutting down, trees in the forest and many other poisons put in carcasses. The Indian vultures used to live in Nepal, Pakistan and Bhutan, but now they are only restricted to India and the ranges are still declining. Once they used to be in other countries, but now they are just in India and now they barely even touch Rajasthan, which 20 years ago they lived all over in. So the Indian vulture is one of the very few vultures that lives in the south of India, near Kerala. It is one of the vultures that lives in Kerala, like the white-rump vulture, which is the only other vulture to live down till the tip of India. The Indian vulture's coloration is black neck and head, with their feet and bare patches on their chest are also black. They have a brownish feathers and they have a collar behind their neck which is made of fluffy down feathers. Their bill is yellowish. The Indian vulture has formed kind of an alliance with the white-rump vulture as they forage together where their ranges overlap. The Indian vulture has a wingspan of 7.9 feet and in total it is just about as big as its cousin, the slender-billed vulture.